What is up, Electric fam? Welcome back to the channel. On today's quick video vlog, we're here to introduce our Iron Horse Yakuza mountain bike that we built our wife. The D&M shocks are definitely much better than this, and we actually made that too because the battery is removable.
Yeah.
So I think I told you we were trying to go to Catalina soon.
Yeah.
This battery is not really ideally, removable, and it's just a short bike overall. It's a 15-inch frame, something short for Crystal, right? All right, a quick walkthrough. A lot of these parts are from Amazon, but I think I'm pretty much done with the final form. This is the first time that we're taking it out. We're looking to do some testing before we hand it off to our wife. But yeah, this is the walkthrough of it. A lot of these things are Amazon. These Lee fender frames, it comes in a set. It's only like 14 bucks on Amazon, free shipping. This was 20 bucks for a piece of plastic, all mountain style number plate from Amazon. What else did we get? Pedals from Amazon. This kickstand just came in today. It looks like it's fine. This frame was actually a little different in terms of the chainstay is not that low. It's not a regular chainstay. It was so high up that you can't put kickstands here. You can't install it there. So this one installs through the skewer, the quick release skewer. Looks like it's holding the bike just fine. Seat is from Amazon, like about $15. I think the best part is this headlight from Amazon. This was like 22 bucks or something like that, but it's really bright. I like it. It has a good horn, and it directly connects to this Luna battery. You could wire it to your battery. Obviously, these fenders should be backwards, but I don't know. I like it like this. It's cooler in my opinion. It's more like a surron dirt bikey look. And the, pretty thick plastic, so pretty good in my opinion. But this is the day one use, so we'll give this a try. This bike looks freaking amazing. I really like the white mag wheels. Really gives a custom look, And again, thank you, Jerry, for giving me this battery. This battery fits this bike real nice. All right, well, that's going to be the video. Stay tuned for more content. I'm going to go ahead and give this a run, a day one testing. Definitely check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73, Ariel riders, or your Uniroute link where I got this motor on. Definitely recommend this for off-road, or if you're doing a lot of climbing on your terrain or your city. Definitely go for a middrive. I can't recommend them enough. Folks, thank you for tuning in this short vlog. Like and subscribe for more content. See you guys in the next video. Peace.